And welcome to my channel. I'm Kristin, and today we're doing some thrift store makeovers. So this is kind of what I'm working with right now, plus one other item that I do not need to sand down. But what I like to do when I do projects is sand everything down that I possibly have to, because honestly, I don't want to go back out here and get dirty and dusty. So I do what I can, and I'm not sanding down everything all the way because paint is going to cover it. I just wanted to get the most up so I wouldn't have to do 55 coats of every color paint just to cover up some of these prints that are originally on here. But we're not even going to get started with that, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of sanding and how the process works kind of behind the scenes. So this really cute frame, this was $2.49. We have a Goodwill outlet, so everything has a price on it that comes from Goodwill, and then they mark it down to a cheaper price, which is really great because I think it was originally $8.49, which Goodwill is absolutely crazy. But I cut the clothespins off and that twine, and then I just kind of tucked it in the crevices or the seams or the cracks with my scissors, and I just added this really cute sign that is from Dollar General. You may have seen that I use this many times, but it is so cute, and I can't keep everything I make, but I do like to keep some of the signs and kind of repurpose them and use them. But I think this one is here to stay because this is adorable. Love being able to find larger houses like this from the outlet. So this is what it looked like before, and then obviously after it is sanded. I'm using this matte finish chalk paint, and this is from Dollar General, and I love this stuff. It's lasted so long. I probably should grab up another bottle before they are gone because my store only sells like a few at a time. So I just needed to give this one good coat on this house. I did like the wood roof, so I did decide to keep that as is. And then I just went really nicely around the sides. I ended up using a smaller paintbrush for the edges, and that seemed to work out great. So if you are not new to my channel, you know that I love Chalk Couture, so I am going to use it any chance that I possibly get. But Chalk Couture sells a ton of surfaces that are sold separately, like with their transfers. But like this cow transfer, you can get the cow surface. And of course, anything that is Farmhouse, I have to pick up and buy. I will link Chalk Couture in the description box below if you guys do want to check it out. If you become a Perks member or a designer, things are cheaper. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. But I really wanted to use this cow transfer or this surface. I've used the transfer once, but you gotta get your money's worth and use it multiple times. So I wanted to use that really cute surface so I'm able to eventually glue it onto this house. And obviously the milk and the rest is not going to fit, which is totally okay, but I did at least want to add this 5 cents and support local farms. So I'm just using some bright white chalk paste for this. And of course I use the color Velvet, which is black for the cow. And my favorite is just pulling this off and seeing how nice this looks. I think this is such a cool thing, and I think it looks way more up my alley and my style, redoing this into a cute farmhouse sign. And of course I got to use my cow surface along with my transfer, and I think this turned out so good. Love finding these fake book stacks. They are some of my favorite finds. It was only $1.49, so pretty much everything I bought was $1.49 or $2.49, so very inexpensive. And then I just used items that I already purchased and had laying around my craft room to kind of finish these off. So I think that's just a really great way to update decors when you can find some super great deals. Yard sales in my area are absolutely insane lately. I just went to one today, which is like a Friday, and they had like brand new craft supplies. I was shocked. It was like shopping at Walmart, but at a garage sale. I spent $35 at this garage sale. It was awesome. But anyways, for the faux books, I first used some fabric that I picked up at Walmart, and I'm like, oh, I do not like this. It's got to go. I glued it. I dried it. Finally got it off, and I decided to go ahead and add some scrapbook paper to the top. This buffalo check is just like more my style, and I was really trying to get that fabric to work because I bought it a couple years ago, and I don't even know why I bought it. I don't know why I have it. but I wanted to use it and it just wasn't working. I'm also using these Chalk Couture silkscreen transfers. These I've had for maybe, I got them last year, possibly the year before, but they also come with small little surfaces with the cow and the pig. No, it's not a cow. A rooster, a chicken, and a pig. So I just wanted to use these. I never use these, as you can tell, but I liked the welcome to our farm, and then this chicken, I decided to add this transfer to the top, and I'm using this color. It is called Dusky Blue for the chicken, and then obviously just black for the pig, and you're going to see that in a second, but I kind of just want to get ahead because sometimes I like to talk and then I forget what I'm saying. So there you go. There's the colors. And then I ended up not using chicken for this project. I wasn't sure which one, but I figured if I already did them both now that I would find something or some way to use that chicken. And I did. So you're going to see that in this video as well. But welcome to our farm. I thought this was cute. The writing is kind of smaller, so I feel like I should have used my Cricut for this and just made everything just a little bit bigger. But this is what the pig looks like when it is done. And then I needed some scissors because I just kind of threw these right on. Usually you need some sort of like microfiber cloth. I use the cloth from Chalk Couture just to kind of get some of the stickiness off, but I didn't, so I needed some scissors for some support. And then of course I'm doing the chicken, and I just kind of wanted to show this too because like I said, I'm going to end up using it. So there you go. Messed up a tiny bit, but no big deal. Leftover ribbon. I use the rest of this. This is from Dollar Tree. I don't use a lot of ribbon, so I don't have a lot of ribbon. So let me know in the comments below if you think this matches, because I'm kind of torn between it. Like, it's white and like burlap and twine colored, but I don't know. I know I should have used like some sort of like gingham ribbon, but I didn't have it. But I honestly kind of think it's cute. And then I just kind of tucked the pig there, and you have some super cute faux books for only $1.49. That's what the welcome sign looked like before I sanded it down. I'm going to go ahead and paint it white, of course. White is my favorite color to use. It's kind of one of my favorite colors, black and white and gray. Those are honestly like my top 3 favorite colors to wear as well. So, I mean, you see it a lot. I wear it a lot. It's just who I am. I like eat, sleep, and breathe black, white, and gray. Here we go with the chicken. This is not any of those colors, so this kind of is a little weird, but we're going to go with it. I just grabbed some twine, and I'm just going to wrap this around the opposite side as I glued the chicken to. And then I don't even know what I was doing, honestly. Like, so I got this part done. I'm like, what else am I supposed to do? This it doesn't look right. So I grabbed some of these chalkboard tags. These are also from Dollar Tree. And I'm gluing one of these little gingham bows on. Those are from Amazon. And I have I want to say like hundreds of these. Farm Fresh Eggs. That is just in Cricut Design Space. And I don't know if I've said recently, like I kind of quit paying for Cricut's Design Space, the $10 a month, and I'm just using the free Design Space, and it still has so many great things that you can use. So I really don't know why I was paying for it to begin with, because there's still a ton of great images that you can use for free. So there you go. I'm just going to glue this on. I didn't know if I wanted it sideways, straight. I ended up adding some more twine because it looked awkward, and there you have it, a fun new farmhouse sign. But that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed these thrift store makeovers. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. That is it. I will see you in the next one. Bye!